Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in shades of blue. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is a guest, and it's Debbie Bubbles, and her theme is shades of blue. So let's get started, guys. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now you will also see that I have a cake on top of the table, and that's because Debbie Bubbles has a birthday in a couple of days, and I just wanted to celebrate her. So I placed that on a gold plate. Now that ginger jar was a thrifted item. The candle and the candle holder came from the Dollar Tree, okay? And the rose ball, that was a DIY. So here we are over at the cake. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I hope you love it, Debbie. So I absolutely love this girl. She's been rocking with me in school the entire year, and I just love her. I really do. So this centerpiece right here is a DIY. Isn't it absolutely beautiful, guys? This is so dainty, and I just decided to keep it here on the table as part of the centerpiece. And then we have that votive and the candle holder, and that also came from the Dollar Tree. So here we are. We have a white peacock on the table. I just saw it and it reminded me of her. And then over here on the corner, we have this greenery ball. We have a cloche. And then we also have that beautiful bird that I love. It has a crystal on top of it. And then we're going to get to this, the best part, which was this whole place setting. This was all thrifted. It was definitely a budget-friendly set. So right here we have the champagne flutes, and those are home good flutes, but I thrifted them. So what a great buy that was. Then the Dollar Tree was carrying these beautiful glassware set. And it was only for a short period of time, at least where I live. So we have the stemless and the water glass, and that matched perfectly with the dinnerware. Here is a gold napkin. So that was a gifted item. And let's look at these dishes. They are gorgeous. I love this place setting. So the flatware did come from Aldi a while back. And I'm going to show you here the place setting. So the salad plate, we're going to take this apart, guys. So the salad plate and the dinner plate, both of those were thrifted items. Gorgeous, guys. I can't get over how gorgeous these plates are. And then we have the charger, and that came from Hobby Lobby. Now we have that rosette placemat, and that came from some Asian store back in Pennsylvania when I was there. So I always like to use that whenever I can. So now we're going to go ahead and place everything back. So here is the charger. And then here is the dinner plate. Beautiful. I can't see the name because I didn't pull the tag off for the plate. But these are absolutely beautiful. I just can't get over how beautiful this set is, and I hope that you like it, Debbie. And then here is the salad plate. And so that completes this place setting. I'm still going to go around the table to show you everything all over again. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Debbie, have an amazing birthday, and may God bless you. May He give you all the desires of your heart. Amen. I love you, girl. Bye.